Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn if and how you can change your country or region in the Spotify desktop application in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So let me launch the Spotify desktop app, and first and foremost guys, changing your country or region settings through the desktop application doesn't work. I have tried it, so don't bother entering your app settings here. It's not going to fix the issue. Instead, what you can do, guys, is navigate to the the web application, of course, of Spotify, log into your account, and then click into your profile icon in the top right to access your account settings. From here, you can navigate to edit personal info. And here, if you scroll down, theoretically, you should be able to change your country region settings by clicking into the drop-down menu. If, and there is an important premise, if you are also currently located in the given country, because to show you that here in the Spotify FAQ, users who want to change their country in their country or region settings need to be actually there. And if that's the case, guys, for instance, if you, I don't know, visiting another country and you stay there with your Spotify account logged in, this option here should be enabled, and you should also see the given country listed here so that you may switch to it and confirm by clicking into Save Profile there. And that's it, guys. You can read more about that in the Spotify FAQ, and that's how it works, guys. So if you, for instance, decide, and that's also important, to go to another country with your Spotify account, you can do that up to 14 days, and after 14 days you will need to do what I just explained. You will need to change the country or region in the settings where you actually at for the moment, and then click into that Save Profile button to save your changes. But it also depends on your account status. So it may differ, for example, it may be different from user to user and your account status. And that's how it works with changing country and region settings in the Spotify app in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.